Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can set up push to mute keybind on Discord. It's real fast and easy, and it really doesn't matter if you're using app or basically phone app or desktop app. The process will be pretty much the same, right? So first, what you need to do here is you need to go on Discord and log into your account if you haven't already, and then when you do this basically you will see similar window like I'm seeing right now. And then on the bottom you should see your username and this little cog icon that says user settings. So you need to press on it, and then you need to go on keybinds here on the left, and also then you need to press add a keybind. On action, press push to mute, and then just basically press the record keybind and press the keybind that you want to use, right? Unfortunately, I cannot do that because I'm recording right now, but when you do exactly the steps that basically I tell you, you will basically make a push to mute keybind on Discord, right? So guys, that's pretty much it what I wanted to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.